Hey, this is Dale. Today I'm going to build a birdhouse, a little birdhouse from Rock City. It's a little place in the southeastern U.S. Great hiking and trails, and great place to visit. Great views in the mountains. But you can order this this little comes in. You could have this shipped in. A little Rock City, authentic Rock City birdhouse. So I'm going to assemble this for you today. Got our little instructions here, and we'll go through it for you. At the end of our project, we just take it up on the side of the barn there and mount it on a shelf bracket. Just happen to have an extra one, and well, there you have it. We put it on a shelf bracket and we hung it up. It's pretty straightforward. Follow the instructions. Hit like. I hope you like this one. It's a nice little project, and the birds will enjoy it. And I hope you can watch the viewing pleasure.